Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to set up Zoom ready for a virtual class. So first things first, you need to download Zoom on your tablet or smartphone. So open up the App Store or Google Play Store on Android. Type in the search bar Zoom Cloud Meetings. Press search. Then at the top of your results should be Zoom Cloud Meetings. Install the app. Once downloaded, Zoom will be on your device. You do not need to sign up or sign in to use the app. Next step is to book a class using Gymcatch. I have done this in a separate tutorial which I will link below in the comments. Now I'm going to show you how to access a class using the link from Gymcatch. Let's start. You will get an email from Gymcatch with a link to the live class in. Click on the link and it will open in your web browser on your phone. It will ask for permission to open it in the app. Click Open. Your phone will then open the Zoom app and ask you to create a name for the class. Then click Continue. Zoom will then ask for various permissions to access your microphone and camera. It is up to you whether to accept. If you do not give permission, you will not be able to show your camera or talk to me on the live class. It will then ask you to call using internet audio. If you do not select this option, you will not hear any audio. Hopefully now you will see the live stream of my class. Turn your device horizontal to get a bigger image. Let's go through some of the controls. You will see you can mute and unmute your microphone. For a class, keep it muted. Next, you can start and stop your video. It will ask for permission to access your camera. If you press yes, you will then be able to join in using your camera. If your internet is particularly slow or you get a lot of buffering, please switch off your camera. To turn off your camera, simply tap on the screen and select Stop Video. At the bottom of the screen you will see little white dots. This allows you to change the view. Just swipe left or right. On an iPad this button is in the top right hand corner. Finally, to leave the meeting, click on Leave and it will ask if you are sure. Then you have exited. If you accidentally leave at any point, click on the link in the email and you should be able to rejoin the class. Now it's time to get ready for a class. Clear away any trip hazards such as chocolate biscuits, washing, push any furniture you can to the side to make a nice big dance floor. For a better audio experience, consider using wireless headphones, or you could connect to an external speaker for better sound quality.
My name is Matt and I used to be fat, so I'm only...
If you find the video is buffering a lot during a live stream, check if anyone else is streaming anything on the internet like video or music or gaming and ask them to stop. All that's left to do is get changed and ready for your class. If you have any questions or need any more help, do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I look forward to seeing you at a virtual class soon.